Mapping, assigning of trial balance accounts and financial statement groups. In this video, I will show you how to map, assign, trial balance accounts and financial statement groups. We can map the accounts manually using the drag and drop function. So we mark the account with the left mouse button and drag it to the desired group. The account itself receives a description to the group name. That is, the specified account is visible to the group itself. It is visible that by periods we get amounts by groups and subgroups. By mapping accounts into groups, the groups themselves get values that represent the sum of the mapped accounts within that group. As in the Accounts viewer, here we have an automatic control that shows the sum of all mapped accounts, the goal that value is equal to 0. That is, assets equal to equity and liabilities. We can also transfer multiple accounts by highlighting them, by clicking the left mouse button and holding down the Control key button, and moving with drag and drop to a specific group. Accounts can also be mapped automatically. A prerequisite for this is that the initial account number, of first digits, must be specified next to each group or subgroup in which we want accounts to be mapped. For example, all accounts starting with number 012 will be mapped to the Software Gross Book Value group. Let's click the button Map Accounts to Groups. Confirm after the accounts are mapped, we have all accounts in balance, which confirms the control works. The sum of groups is equal to 0. It is important to emphasize that once we map the account, when adding each new period or entering new values, it is not necessary to remap the accounts and further linking to new periods goes automatically. In case an additional new account has been imported that has not been previously mapped, then it is only necessary to map it manually or automatically. As we can see which account is mapped and which is not, it is visible in the Accounts viewer and the Groups column, where it is seen in which group the account is mapped. If we want to unmap an individual account, we do so with the Unassign option. We see that our total value is changing and that the group total is not in balance. While with the help of the Filter option, we choose to view mapped, assigned accounts, unmapped, unassigned accounts, or all accounts.